Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on data saver on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy, and now click accessibility display in languages. Now click data usage, and here you will find this data saver. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on data saver, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.